PJ! PJ! Oh, God, my head. Oh,
Bishop Bling Bling, what do you need now?
where are you?
I was in the room watching Wendy Williams.
For real? What was the topic?
Monique's new straight to red box movie. Bigger, blacker, bitterer.
I don't want to see that.
I don't want to see it either.
Where is it going to be on Netflix? It ain't going to be good.
We don't have to see it. Bishop, please stop crying.
I can't help it, girl. You see my arm? My head. Hey, please, just can you make me some hot cocoa and then put them white hot chocolate marshmallows on top?
We don't have any hot cocoa.
We got hot cocoa. We ain't got nothing.
Okay. How about I get some syrup and some milk and warm it up? Would that be okay for you?
Okay, that's okay. Go on now, make it. Go on, get it. God, Roddy, I hate you. You gotta beat my ass like this. Hello? Oh, hello, Chief Williams. What? What you mean you ain't found him yet? Well, look, do whatever you gotta do to find his ass and lock him up. No, I want assault charges, kidnapping. I want attempted murder, attempted sodomy. Yes, sodomy. That nigga trying to stick a damn tennis racket up my ass. You know I can't preach you with a ticket racket up my ass. Shut now. Now look. Now you've been a loyal and faithful tither and a great friend over all these years. So I promise you, if you find this nigga, I'm gonna do whatever I can. I'm gonna put a little collection plate of money into your election campaign for mayor. All right, well, find him, Chief. All right. Where my drink? Shit now.
Hold on. Here we go.
Get lower, Peaches. Lower, Peaches. Come on, don't do it. Damn, Peaches, that's too high. You trying to kill me? Burn my tongue. Everybody gonna kill the bitch. They gonna kill the bitch.
Is this better?
Alright. Yes. That's better. Oh, yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Peaches.